Hello, and welcome to installment 12 of the Pennies-AI tutorial series. This time we're going to talk about account sharing, which can be kind of a tricky subject. So right now you see the shared accounts and there aren't any. So we're going to add some today. Let's say user 1 and user 2 want to share accounts with each other. There's a slight problem with this. You see that user 1 has an account called checking and user 2 also has an account called checking. If you look, if you'll be sharing this account with anyone, make sure to name it uniquely. And that's really important. So we're going to just name this John Checking. And then the savings, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to name it John Savings. Now these names don't match those names and sharing is okay. So we're going to go to account sharing, sharing requests. We're going to type in the email address of the user we want to share with. Add that. Now it's added to our list of requests, but we haven't requested it yet. You can add a bunch and request them independently. So we're going to go ahead and request it. So now we've requested it. The next time this user logs in or refreshes their data, we're going to get a new pop-up. It says someone has requested sharing with you. Now, there could be multiple in here. So accepting, rejecting, that doesn't save anything. It's just you've done it locally. We actually have to hit the save button to accept it. So now we've saved it. And if we go refresh our data here and look at our requests, we'll see that our request was accepted. Now we can share accounts. Our user shows up in the list. We can add a new share. Let's say we're going to share the checking account and read only. We can also share it so that you can create and edit above plus export, above plus import. Anything past new and edit allows deleting as well. But here you can only new and edit. You can't delete anything. We'll just do read only for now. So we've created that. If we come back over here and refresh, it immediately shows up. And this will show all the accounts that the person has shared and the total of those accounts. And you'll notice our net worth didn't change here. That's because in the profile, we have that unchecked. If we check that box, shares and net worth, then it will add the total of all the shares to this person's net worth. Maybe two people from the same household are sharing accounts back and forth, and that's a time when you'd want to have that checked. Otherwise, probably not. So we'll just uncheck it. We can also add the savings account, and we can now allow editing. And you can see each share shows what you can do. And now when we refresh it, we've got both of those. So that worked. So now, if this user wants to share, then we'll type in their email address. We'll add and we'll request. And now if we refresh, it'll pop up here too. So we can go ahead and accept. We can save. We can close. And then you can see that confirmation we have accepted. So we can edit that at any time by going to our confirmations. So over here, we can refresh and then look at our requests and we've accepted. So now we can do an account share here. Let's say we want to share our new car. You can share any account you want. It doesn't have to be a checking account. It can be an asset. When we come over here, then we can see that there's a new car here. So that's how account sharing works. I hope you've enjoyed learning about account sharing, and I hope you find it useful. If this, you can share accounts with like a financial advisor, with read-only. There's all kinds of different ways to use account sharing. So just be imaginative and try it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.